Together, we plan not just a tree, but a promise of solidarity that will continue to branch out and grow for generations to come. We hope that this tree will flourish as a symbol of our enduring friendship and as a beacon of hope for future. The olive tree mirrors the very spirit of the Palestinian struggle for justice and dignity. By planting it here, we are rooting a living testament to a cause that transcends borders.
We are commemorating the 50th anniversary of Land Day. This is a reminder of our entrenched story that will remain for generations to come. Our land and our olive tree is our pride, our identity, our past and our present, the heartbeat of our fathers, and the sacred legacy of our ancestors. And just like our olive trees, we stand tall, deep-rooted, resilient, unshaken in the face of every ordeal, in the face of every adversity, and in the face of every storm.
Excellencies, dear friends, I should not fail to highly appreciate my fellow colleague, His Excellency Dr. Fadi El Husseini, the Ambassador of the State of Palestine to Hungary, for giving this opportunity to us to planting olive tree to express our solidarity to the people of Palestine to establish the Palestinian state.
كانت تسمى فلسطين، صارت تسمى فلسطين، وستظل اسمها فلسطين. عشت وعاشت فلسطين. God bless Indonesia, God bless everyone, God bless Palestine. Thank you so much.